What's up, YouTube? It's Credit Guy Frank here, coming to you today with the first video of the year, guys. The first video of the year. The last year was more so about credit. This year is going to be about credit, of course, because I am Credit Guy Frank. But I will also show you guys how to make money various different ways, okay? And depending on the response I get from you all, depending on what y'all gravitate more so towards, is going to determine what I deep dive into, okay? So like always, I'm going to just put out the information. If you gravitate towards it, drop a link in them comments, drop some comments. I said drop a link in them comments. Drop some comments, you know what I'm saying? Keep me motivated because that's going to literally tell me exactly what I need to put more out of. All right? I hope you guys are ready for the year. It's late in January, but still, it shouldn't stop your motivation. And also, I want to give out 3 free consultations off the rip to 3 people, all right? Number 1, Doc Motivate. Number 2, King Crypto. And number 3, Rare Kalo, okay? Those 3 people was in my comments like crazy last year. All right. In my comments like crazy. So y'all definitely hit me up. We're going to have a consultation. I'm going to literally put you guys on as much game as you want. All right. This is the year of being as generous as possible. I'm not going to waste my time, but I'm going to be very, very generous. We're going to do weekly consultations. I'm going to do at least 3 people because I need to get y'all up to speed, see where y'all at, see where y'all going. And today I want to give a quick play, because a lot of you guys, man, when we're talking about these $50,000 plays and these $100,000 plays, all right, a lot of you guys always say, how am I going to replace the money? Okay. Now, me in my head, I can flip 50,000, I can flip 100,000, I can flip $5 easily, right? So I'm going to just help you guys come up with some different plays, some new plays that no one is talking about. All right. Now, remember where you hear this stuff from, because I see a lot of my sauce is being, I wouldn't say taken, but I don't know. I just see people try to downplay certain things and then they take, right? I do not like that. We all have something positive to bring to the table. We all should be working together. Okay. Don't listen to nobody who's saying, don't listen to other people. Listen to me. I don't trust nobody who says stuff like that. All right. If you understand this space, then you know you got a way of doing it. You got a way of doing it. You got a way of doing it. Guys, a lot of it works. You just got to make sure you put the work in. All right. So that was the first 3 minutes of the New Year rant because I missed y'all, man, honestly. But I want to put y'all onto this play. All right. And I called it the season ticket play. Okay. The season ticket play. And let me tell you guys something. Football, basketball, soccer, baseball, hockey, okay? All of these are different sports that you can make a lot of money from. I ain't talking DraftKings, I'm not talking FanDuel, anything like that, okay? Now, if you get funded, or when you get funded, all right, I'm going to put y'all on this play. When you get funded, okay, you can easily, and it doesn't matter what sport it is, all right? If you don't even like the sport, or if you don't even like a sport, then it's actually going to be better for you, okay? Now, you can look up season tickets, all right? In each arena, they have different sections, okay? The sections closest to the fields are, of course, going to be more costly, and further away will be less costly, okay? There are ways that you can get season tickets for any team, anywhere, all right? Season tickets. For example, okay, let's say I can get season tickets to a football game. As you all know, I'm from Charlotte, so my favorite team is Carolina, okay? Now, if I get season tickets, okay, to see the Carolina Panthers, it's about $5,000, okay? $5,000 bucks, all right? I really can get them for $2,500, but we're just going to do this for the sake of the video, okay? $5,000, all right? Now, it's 18 games now in the football season, okay? With the bye week, so they play 17, but it's 18 games, all right? So with the bye week, it's 17 games. Listen, you can literally sell those season tickets for triple the amount that you paid for them, okay? Like literally. So if you spend $2,500 or if you spend $5,000 on these tickets, all right? And they're playing 8 games, 9 games at home just in one sport, okay? And this is literally not the best example. I could use a much better example doing basketball, but it's not the point. I just want to get you guys to get the numbers in your head, all right? So if I spend $2,500 to $5,000 on this season tickets, all right, out of 18 games, half of these games are going to be played at home. That's 9 games. You can charge $1,500 for the seats. That's 9 games. Guys, that's way more than what you pay for. And just imagine that you don't even want to watch the game. You sell all of them. Or if you want to see one game, you go to one game. Luxury seats, free food, free drinks, everything. Season tickets come with everything. All right? Now, basketball, it's a whole different story. It's 82 games. You can charge $1,000 a night. You pay $20,000 for season tickets in basketball. They play 82 games. You can sell 41 of those tickets for $1,000. You pay 20, I guarantee you, you're going to leave with 35. And remember, this is a season. A season you making this. Not a year. A season. Remember, it's multiple sports. You can do multiple sports. But this is a play that I love for my people to do when they just don't know what to do. All right. If you don't know what to do, you already know. I'm like, all right, look, season ticket. All right. And we've been running it up all last year off of that. All last year off of that. All right. I need you guys to get in the game. It's so much money out here. It is so much money out here. All right. Any way you want to do it, we can do it. Okay. So this year, I'm going to be dropping credit and things like that, but I'm going to be dropping a lot of plays about money, a lot of things that you guys could do if you want to just flip more money, make more money, because as you all know, like I was talking about last year, we will be in a recession and it is here. Okay. So this is the time to be building up. This is not the time to be buying stuff. This is not the time to be doing none of that. It's the time to be building up. Okay. I've been using a lot of new tools, artificial intelligence and things like that, to where it makes the process a lot easier. And I'll be breaking everything down on this channel. I'll also be providing much more content on my OnlyFans. It's a new year. I always got to figure out how I'm going to come out. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it, man. If you need anything, remember the information is in the description. Do not hesitate to contact me. All right. Yes, it will be a fee depending on what we're doing. All right. I can't just teach you how to make a 20 or 10 or 100 if you trying to do it for $100 or for free. All right. I just can't. I'm sorry. I got a family just like you. Okay. I'm not going to let you do me like that. And I'm not going to do you like that. All right. So I just want to leave you with that. You feel me? And we ain't doing no edits. I ain't even worried about it. I just wanted to leave you guys with that and make sure you guys' heads are on right. It's Credit Guy Frank here coming to you today with another video. You guys contact me if you need anything. It's a brand new year. I'm looking forward to hearing from you all. Drop them comments. Let's get it.